Guys, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my Plan With Me for December 2nd through December 8th in my Erin Condren Vertical Neutral Life Planner. I'm going to be using this planner kit. It is mini kit 195. And I'm not entirely sure what this kit is called. Kate had her Black Friday sale and her shop is decimated almost. So I can't look up what it's called. I could look up through my orders, but I order so much that that would take a bit. But anyway, I'm going to be using this, my first Christmas kit, other than my monthly, which you will see on Thursday. But I just loved the colors in this kit. This is so not me. This is so not like normal Cassie colors. For Christmas, I'm very much a red and green traditional Christmas, like woodsy, sort of, like, I don't know how, like farmhousey, woodsy, Christmassy sort of deal. But I just loved the colors in this kit. And then I also decided to get the Christmas Countdown as well. That is the ornaments, and that is bright. Last year I got the Christmas Countdown that was like the holly and berries, and it was very like nice, and I loved it. But it was also very like the same thing over and over. Versus these are like different colors, and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna take a sip of coffee because it's only 7 o'clock. And I haven't had any coffee yet today. My husband took our son to his in-laws' house. I'm filming this. It is Saturday of Thanksgiving, so Small Business Saturday. And he is saying goodbye to his sister-in-law because they are going home today. We are supposed to get. So we had a snowstorm on Wednesday, and really it wasn't bad. It was just kind of, you had to be careful going to work on Wednesday, and I had to be careful dropping my son off at daycare. But really it wasn't, like, it could have been way worse. But we are supposed to get another snowstorm. It was supposed to start last night, so Friday night, and it's supposed to go all the way until Sunday. And I love on the, so I live in Wisconsin, and that's not a secret, but on the newscaster, rather than him, saying like how much we're supposed to get, our range is 4 to 10 inches. Like, that is such a huge range of snow to get, like 4 to 10 inches. Okay, so I'm assuming that December 1st is supposed to be the 25 days. Right? Okay, so I fixed it. That took me a little bit longer than I thought, but I just love how that works with like the countdown and the washi. So is anyone else done with their Christmas shopping yet? I'm not completely done. I'm done with all of the children that I'm supposed to buy for Christmas. We have, let's see. We have my niece, who is 3. My nephew, who is 1.5-ish. Almost 1.5. And then we have my other nephew, who is 4. And then I have my godsons, who are 6 and 2.5. And I am done with all of their stuff. And then we are also done with all of the presents that I think we want to get our son. He doesn't need much, and I would much rather have family members get him presents, rather than us get him presents, and that like have us get him something like an experience or something. I mean, he's 1. This week he'll be 13 months. He doesn't need anything. He just needs food and clothing and some diapers. Like, that's all he needs. So he is definitely not wanting for anything. Okay, so I put down, while I was gibbering, my washi, my countdown, and my full boxes. And, okay, I can put my countdown to the side. Okay, so the first thing that I want to mark this week is my videos going up. And I have 3 videos going up. I've got the Plan With Me, this one on Monday. I've got the December EC monthly on Thursday, and then Saturday I'm doing my November recap. I'm really excited about the recap videos. I just really like going back through my planner and just kind of looking at like my spreads. I don't usually do that a lot, if at all, because I'm just so like focused on like the next week, the next month. And so going back every month is kind of nice. Like, it's really, just like kind of going through and seeing what's going on, and kind of I don't know, slightly reliving the month almost. It's been really nice. So I'm going to use these dots. So I post to Instagram and then the Planner Kate Facebook group. And I really want to post to Instagram more. I keep saying this and I never end up being able to do it, but I really want to be able to post to Instagram like every day. Like, that's my goal. I don't know. I'll get there, hopefully. It would be really nice if I could get there in 2020. That might be a sneak peek of a goal for 2020. I didn't do any goals last year because of my son's birth. It was just very like overwhelming at the time. But yeah, I'm hopefully going to share those goals towards the middle of the month of December. So I'm still thinking about some, and honestly, they might change over 2020, and that's totally fine. Okay, so the next thing that I want to mark, my husband will be going to, so if you didn't see my well, you wouldn't see my December monthly plan with me because it's not up yet. But my husband actually accepted a different job in the Army. And so he is going to be traveling a little bit more for work. And so I want to get out. I didn't pull any stickers. Okay, well. So I didn't pull any stickers. They're all in my binder, which is fine, but you might hear some rustling of the papers. So I just used a car to mark that he is going to be going to work in a different, like he's going to work. So he's traveling for work this weekend. Let's see, I think that's it. Oh, and I also wanted to mark that Friday is Packer Friday. At my son's school. Okay. So, Saturday, we are going to go to Storytime. I'm going to use this like hashed mark half box, and story time is at 10:15. So what happens, especially, and I talked about this in my monthly plan with me as well, but what happens when my husband is gone, my son and I, we get really bored. We literally just stare at each other. And so having things to do while he's gone is like imperative. So we are going to Storytime on Saturday, and then Sunday we will do more of like our errands. Although, depending on what time he wakes up on Saturday, we might be ready for errands already on Saturday morning. And sometimes we'll go like to Target first, like on Saturday morning, and then we'll go to Storytime. It just kind of depends on how things work out, and how grumpy my son is or how happy he is, because honestly, everything is hinged on his behavior and how he is feeling. So, but I will put that we are going to do errands. So I'm going to put a to-go. On Sunday, I'm going to use one of the checklists. I'm going to do blue, this blue one, I think. And I don't have my scissors, so I'm just going to put it down. And I know I need to go to at least 3 places. So it'll be Sam's Club, Target, and our grocery store. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure like where I was. I had to stop filming because my husband came home. But I know I want to mark. My cat's playing. I'm actually trying to get ahead with Christmas wrapping, and so my cat's playing in my container wrapping paper, so you might hear funny things over there. I think then I'm gonna mark that the Packers have a game on Sunday, and that is at noon. So I'm gonna use football sticker. They are at the Redskins. Okay. And then I'm gonna also put in, this is a trash day. Just gonna put that in there. And then over on the sidebar, I'm gonna put a don't forget on this red label over here. Just so that I can put things so that I don't forget them. Hot. I think that might be it. Although I think I kind of want to put the weather down as well. So let's see, Monday it's supposed to be partly cloudy. Put it down on the bottom there, and I'm just gonna do, I guess Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are all partly cloudy. And let's see, Monday, the high is 25 and the low is 20. Tuesday, the high is 31 and the low is 27. And then Wednesday is 33 and 21. So very similar all 3 days, but that's okay. Trying to look through my stickers and see if there's anything else that I want to put in. I don't think there is, so this is going to be the end of this plan with me. And here's how the week is shaping up. Pretty minimal as for plans, just kind of getting back into the swing of things after Thanksgiving and starting to kind of, gear up for Christmas. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you know when I post a video. I am posting videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and take care. Bye-bye.